Good morning, dear students. Now we'll proceed for the NCERT numericals. Okay, numerical parts takes a very important role in the board examination. The numericals are very important for your board examination. Okay, the numericals will come for 4 marks or 3 marks depending upon the type of numerical. Clear? So the first question in NCERT is given: an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. Object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. From a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position of image and its nature also. So let me tell you first the sign convention. The sign convention for solving this numerical, you should keep it in mind that, for example, this is a convex mirror. A convex mirror. Principal axis. This is pole. Now, if suppose this is an object. This is an object. So the direction of incident ray is this direction. The direction of incident ray is from left to right. So this is the positive direction. This is the positive direction. Now after reflecting through the smooth surface of the mirror, if the reflecting rays is, suppose the image is formed here. Suppose, for example, after reflection the image is formed here, for example. That means we are measuring the distance from the pole. Every time we are measuring the distance of the image or object distance from the pole. Now see, this is the direction of incident ray. And if we measure this distance from pole, that means we are going into the opposite direction of incident ray. This is the direction of incident ray, that means positive direction. And if we are going opposite, now the image is formed, that means we measure the distance from pole to focus. That means we are going in the opposite direction as compared to the incident ray. That means this direction is negative direction. So the sign convention for this is all the distances to the front side of the mirror, or we can say the left side of the mirror, the distances would be negative. All the distances to the left side of the mirror, or we can say in the front side of the mirror, are negative, and all the distances towards in the opposite side of the mirror, that means back side of the mirror, behind the mirror, all the distances would be positive. Okay, for example, the number line or number scale, here 0 point is there, here -1, -2, here +1, +2. That means the left side, we can assume it as pole. So the left side of the pole, all the distances are negative, and on the right side of the pole, all the distances are positive. One more important thing, all the distances above the principal axis, are positive, and all the distances, or we can say all the sides below the principal axis are negative. Above the principal axis are positive, below the principal axis are negative. Okay, now we are going to see the numericals. What the numericals is that an object is placed at a distance of, see, this is convex mirror, we have made one convex mirror, this is pole. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. Now as I have told you, we are measuring the distance from the pole, so 10 centimeter. So for example, here the object is there, A and B. Now 10 centimeter, see, this is the direction of incident ray, and we are taking the object 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. That means this line would be negative. That means the object distance would be negative. Okay, now next case of convex mirror of focal length 15. Focal length is 15 centimeter. Now let me tell you, in case of convex mirror, write down this point. This is very important. Focal length focal length in case of concave mirror and in case of convex mirror. This point you should write in your notebook, the focal length in case of concave mirror. So concave mirror, the focal length would also always positive, and in case of convex mirror, no, it is negative. And in case of convex mirror, the focal length would always negative. This point you should write in your notebook. Focal length in case of concave mirror, focal length is negative. Convex mirror, the focal length is positive. Now how this negative and positive has came? Now as we have seen in the ray diagram, if the concept of ray diagram is clear, then concave mirror and convex mirror, the focal length you should not have to by heart. Okay, you don't have to by heart this, because in the ray diagram, in case of convex mirror, all the images were formed on the right hand side. And as I have told you, on the right hand side the distance would be positive. Clear? And this point you should write in your notebook. Focal length in case of concave mirror is negative. Focal length in case of convex mirror positive. So here convex mirror is given, therefore we will take the focal length positive. So the focal length is given plus 50. Okay. Then find the positioning of image and nature of image. So we'll use the lens formula. What is lens formula? Lens formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is the lens formula. 1 upon f is equal to, this is mirror. Now we'll take mirror formula because the case is given mirror. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror. So we'll use mirror formula, not lens formula. So the mirror formula says that 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Okay. Now, what is focal length? Focal length is 15. V is given? No. V means image distance. Okay. Let me write. V is image distance. U is object distance. So V is not given, that means image distance is not given. 1 upon, what is U? U is object distance. So it is minus 10. So we will do the calculation. 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon V, plus and minus will minus. Okay. So this would be 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon V. This minus 10 will come on left hand side, so it would be plus 10 is equal to 1 upon V. Clear? Now we will do cross multiplication. 1 10s are 10 plus 1 15s are 15 upon 150 is equal to 1 upon V. 10 ones are 10, 15 ones are 15 upon 15 10s are 150. So this would be 25 upon 150 is equal to 1 upon V. We have to find out value of V, not 1 upon V. So we inverse this value. So 1 upon 50 upon 25 is equal to V. 25 1s are 25, 25 6s are 150. So V is equal to 6 centimeter. Now pay attention. The value of V is positive. Okay, the value of V is positive. V is positive value. That means positive means on the right side of the mirror, all the distances on the right side of the mirror are positive. All the distances to the left side of the mirror are negative. So V is positive. That means image is formed. Image is formed at plus 6 centimeter. For example, the image is formed here. So plus 6 centimeter. Okay. So what is the position of image? The position of image is plus 6 centimeter behind the mirror. Okay. So what is position of image? Image position is plus 6 centimeter behind the mirror. Now we have to find out the nature. Of the image. Now we will do the calculation here. Nature of the image. So the nature of the image, we write for the nature of the image. we have to use the formula of magnification. We have to use the formula of magnification. Now in case of mirror, the magnification formula is magnification is equal to height of image upon height of object is equal to minus v upon u. Okay, magnification is height of image upon height of object is equal to minus v upon u. Clear? Minus v upon u. Okay, now we will do the calculation first. You should copy this. Now nature of image, the nature of image, for the nature of image keep it in mind and write in your notebook. For the nature of image will always apply the formula of magnification. So magnification for mirror, magnification of mirror is height upon height of image upon height of object is equal to minus v upon u. Okay, now what is height of image? Magnification is equal to what is height of image? Height of image is not given. Okay, height of image is not given, so we will write hi upon height of object. Height of object is given, height of object is also not given. Okay, so the height of object is equal to minus. What is v? What is v? V is 6 centimeter. V is 6 centimeter. And what is u? U is minus 10 centimeter. U is minus 10 centimeter. So minus and minus have cancelled out. Clear? So hi upon xo is equal to 6 upon 10. That means 0.6 centimeter. 0.6 centimeter. Now we can write height of image upon height of object is equal to 0.6 centimeter. That means what? Height of image is equal to 0.6 into height of object. Now see, we can see clearly height of image is 0.6 times of height of the object. Height of image is 0.6 times of the height of the object. That means image is smaller than object. Image is smaller than the object. Image is smaller than the object. So we can write diminished image is formed. Diminished. What is the nature of image? Diminished image is formed. Okay? Diminished image is formed. Clear? Image is diminished. This is the size of image. Size of image is diminished. Clear? So this is the calculation part. V is plus. Okay, V is plus. Height of image. Now see. Magnification, the value of magnification is positive 0.6. That means virtual image is formed. Virtual and erect image is formed. What is the nature? What is the nature? Virtual and erect. Whenever magnification is positive, that means virtual and erect. This point you should write in the notebook. Whenever the magnification is negative, the real and inverted image is formed. Real and inverted. Clear? Real and inverted image is formed. So whenever the magnification value is positive, that means virtual and erect image is formed. Virtual and erect image is formed. Whenever the value of magnification is negative, that means real and inverted image is formed. This point you should write in your notebook. Okay? Clear? So this is the answer. You can copy down it. This is size of image. This is virtual and erect image is formed. Okay? Copy it फटाफट. See, this is the question number 2. A convex mirror. First you should underline the word convex mirror. Okay, or you can write like this. You can make a box. A convex mirror used for rear view of an automobile has radius of curvature. 3 centimeter. If a bus is located at 5 centimeter from this mirror, Bus is located 5 centimeter from this mirror. Find the position, nature, size of image. Okay. See the question carefully. First you should pause this video and note down the question. Then you should see the solving of the numerical, or you should see the solution. Okay. Now convex mirror. Convex mirror means the mirror would be like this. Convex mirror. Okay. This is the pole, and as I have told you that every time we are measuring the distance from the pole, see this is the direction of incident ray, that means positive direction, and the object is towards the left hand side of it, that means we are measuring the object distance from the pole towards left side, that means the object distance would be negative. Object distance would be negative. Now, or you can keep it in your mind that all the distances towards left hand side of the mirror are negative, all the distances towards right hand side of the mirror are positive. All the height above the principal axis are positive, all the height below the principal axis are negative. Okay. Now we'll see a convex mirror. Convex mirror used for rear view of an automobile has a radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is 3 centimeter. Okay, radius of curvature is 3 centimeter. If a bus is located at 5 centimeter, if a bus is located at 5 centimeter from this mirror, bus is located at 5 centimeter from this mirror, that means this is the object distance. This is object distance. That means u is equal to -5. Okay. Find the position, nature, and the size of image. That means we have to find out first v. Now, how we can find out the v? So the formula for radius of curvature. What is radius of curvature actually? The radius of curvature means what? See, suppose this is a spherical mirror. This is convex mirror. Convex mirror. Clear? So its sphere would be like this. It is a part of this sphere. As I have explained you that mirror is a part of a sphere. Therefore, it is known as spherical mirror. So suppose this is a diameter. This is a diameter. So up to this, this would be the radius of curvature. Okay. Suppose if I remove this part, suppose this is pole, this is focus. Okay, and this is radius of curvature. That means what? The focal length is half of radius of curvature or not? The focal length, this is the focal length between P and F. This is focal length between P and F. This is focal length, and from here to here, this is the radius of the mirror. That means it is radius of curvature. So we can see the focal length. The focal length is half of the radius of curvature. So we can write the formula of radius of curvature is equal to 2 into focal length, or we can write focal length is equal to half of radius of curvature. Focal length is equal to half of the radius of curvature. Now, if the focal length is half of radius of curvature, that means what is the value of f? F is r is given 3 centimeter divided by 2, that is 1.5 centimeter. Focal length. Now always keep it in mind that if you have u, you have f, you can find out v by mirror formula. What is mirror formula? What is mirror formula? Mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is the mirror formula. Clear? Now, mirror formula. So what is the value of f? 1.5. 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. What is u? Minus 5 centimeter. So 1 upon 1.5 is equal to 1 upon, what is v? V we don't know. Plus and minus will be minus 1 upon 5. Clear? So this would be 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 will come on right hand side. This would be plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon v. Clear? So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 plus 1.5 into 1 is 1.5 upon 1.5 into 5 is equal to 1 upon v. See, r is 3, so focal length is equal to half of the radius of curvature. Focal length is equal to half of the radius of curvature. Focal length is half of radius of curvature. Clear? So this would be the 3 by 2. This will be 1.5. 1.5. Now 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So 1 upon 1.5 is equal to 1 upon v plus and minus would be minus 1 upon 5. Object distance. Object distance is minus 5. Okay. So plus and minus is minus. So minus 1.5 come on right hand side. This will be plus 1 upon 5. Clear? And 1 upon v. Clear? So 5 is 5. 1.5 into 1 is 1.5 upon 1.5 into 5. So this would be 5.5 plus 1.5 is 6.5 and 1.5 into 5. Okay, this would be 1.5 into 5. 5 is 25, 2 carries, 5 is 5 and 2, 7. This would be 7.5. Clear? This would be 7.5. So this would be 6.5 upon 7.5 is equal to 1 upon v. So this would be 65 upon 75, 1 upon v. Now we'll cut it by the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5 and sorry, this would be 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25 and 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So 13 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon v. We don't want value of v, so we'll inverse this value. Therefore 15 upon 13 is equal to v. Okay, if we'll cut by 13 and 15, so this would be 13 1 13, 1 carry 13 by the 1.15 is equal to v. Okay, 1.15 v. So value of v is 1.15 centimeter. Unit we should write centimeter. Now, what is the position of image? Position of image. Value of v is positive. Value of v is positive. That means, what is the position? The position of image is towards, or we can write, if the v is positive, then the positive distances are on the right side. So we will write the position of image is behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. See, positive distances are always on the right hand side and this side is the behind the mirror. This is the front of the mirror. So behind the mirror. What is position? Behind the mirror. Clear? Then now we'll find the nature and size of the image. We'll find out the nature and size of the image. Now, nature of image. By nature and size, we will use the magnification formula, that is height of image upon height of object is equal to minus v upon u. Height of image upon height of object is equal to minus v upon u. So height of image is not given, height of object is not given, minus what is value of v? Minus 1.15. And what is value of u? Okay, the value of u is minus 5. So minus and minus get cancelled each other. Height of image upon height of object, this would be 115 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 1 carries 23. Okay, 20, no. This is 1.15, no? 1.15 and this is 5. Okay, minus and minus will get cancelled. So 1.15 upon 5. Now, after the point there are 2 digits. Therefore, there would be 2 0 and the point would be removed. Now, okay, so 5 ones are 5, or we can write 5 twos are 10, 1 carries 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5, 0 0. So height of image upon height of object 23 upon 100. So this would be 0.23 centimeter. Okay, 0.23 centimeter. So we can write height of image is 0.23 into height of object. Height of image is 0.23 into height of object. That means what? Height of image is 0.23 into height of the object. That means, okay, so the image is less than the height of object. Height of image is less than height of object, so the size is diminished. The size is diminished. Okay, one more important thing. In case of mirror, always keep it in mind the trick. If V is positive, in case of mirror, if V is positive, so N also positive, m would also be positive. If the magnification is positive, the image would be real and inverted. Okay. If V is positive in case of mirror, then the M, that is magnification, is also positive, and if the magnification is positive, so the image would be real and magnification is positive, the image would be virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Okay. So this trick you should keep it in mind. Whenever the V is positive, M is positive. Whenever V is positive, magnification is positive, and if the magnification is positive, the image is virtual and erect. Or if you don't remember this trick, you can see here the magnification is positive. Okay, the magnification is positive. That means if the magnification is positive, always the image would be virtual and erect. And if you remember the ray diagram case, in case of convex mirror, always the image is virtual and erect. So to solve the numericals of this chapter, you should be clear with the ray diagram. Okay. If you remember the ray diagram of convex mirror, then the nature of image you don't have to calculate. Okay, you don't have to find out the nature of image if you remember the ray diagram of convex mirror. In convex mirror, always the image is virtual and erect. Here the magnification is positive, so the image is virtual and erect. Clear? So copy this numerical. Students, pay attention here. This is question number 3. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object. So you should first make the circle. What type of mirror is given? This is concave mirror. Produces 3 times magnified. Okay. Real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter. In front of it. Where is the image located? That means V is not given. They have asked the value of V. U is object distance, V is image distance. Clear? A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified. So magnification is given 3. Now the question is magnification we will take positive or negative. So always keep it in mind that in case of concave mirror, the magnification is taken as negative. In case of magnification, okay. In case of concave mirror, okay, it is taken as negative. Magnification is taken as negative. So -3. Clear? In case of concave mirror, the magnification is negative. Clear? And in case of convex mirror, the magnification is positive. Clear? So you can copy this much. We will solve the numerical. Okay. Now one more very important thing. If you don't remember, the magnification in case of concave mirror is negative. Then you should concentrate on this word. Real image is formed, and the real image is always real image. What is the nature of real image? Okay, real image is real. Okay, and inverted. The real image is always inverted. And inverted means what? Negative. Okay, the real image is always inverted. As I have told you, you should remember the word IR. If the image is real, then it is inverted. So inverted means negative. Inverted means what? suppose this is object and image is formed. As I have told you, above the principal axis the height is positive and below the principal axis the size is negative. So image is real and inverted. Real and inverted image is formed below the principal axis. Therefore we have taken magnification negative. Again I am repeating, the real and inverted image is formed below the principal axis. Therefore we have taken magnification negative. Okay. Now, in case of mirror, magnification is equal to minus V upon U. Magnification is equal to minus V upon U in case of mirror. Now, magnification is minus 3 is equal to minus V upon U. U is object distance. U is object distance and it is given 10 centimeter in front of the mirror. That means minus 10. 10 centimeter in front of the mirror. 10 centimeter. Object is placed 10 centimeter in front of the mirror. Okay. Object is placed 10 centimeter in front of the mirror. That means U is negative. Clear? See, what is the front side of the mirror? Suppose this is concave mirror, na? The concave mirror is given. Concave mirror. So the front side of the mirror is the left side. The front side of the mirror, object is placed here. That means we are, see, this is the direction of incident ray and we are measuring the distance from the pole. So this is the opposite direction. This is the opposite direction of the incident ray. So all the distances towards front of the mirror are negative. All the distances towards front side of the mirror are negative. Clear? So what will do? Minus 3 is equal to minus V upon, what is U? Minus 10. Okay? Minus 10. So minus and minus cancelled each other. So minus 3 and this 10 will multiply and V. So V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Minus 30 centimeter. Now, as I have told you, in case of mirror, okay, remember the trick. In case of mirror, if V is negative, M is negative. If M is negative, V is negative. In case of mirror, if V is negative, M is negative. If M is negative, V is negative. Clear? So the V is minus 30 centimeter. V is minus 30 centimeter. Then where the image is located? So the image is formed at minus 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. That means this is concave mirror, this is object, okay, object, and image is also formed somewhere here. Minus sign means inverted image is formed. What is the value of V? Minus indicated. The value of V is negative value of V, that means real and inverted. Real and inverted. Negative of value of V shows that the image is real and inverted. See, the image is real and inverted and it is given in question also. The image is real. That means we are correct. Okay. So whenever the V is negative, the image is real and inverted. Whenever V is positive, the image is virtual and erect. The image is virtual and erect. You should write it in your notebook. If V and M are positive, that means the image is virtual and erect. If V is negative, M is negative, the image is real and inverted. The image is real and inverted. Okay? Write down this one. See student, the next question is find the power of concave lens of focal length 2 meter. Find the power of concave lens of focal length 2 meter. Now first, I mark the type of mirror. See, there is one suggestion for you. Whenever you are solving the numerical, first underline the type of mirror or type of lens. Then only proceed for the questions, because by this only you will come to know we have to take the value in positive or in negative. So, in case of concave lens is diverging lens. As we know that concave lens is diverging lens, and always the image is formed towards the left of the mirror, that means in front of the mirror. Image is also formed in front of the mirror. Image always form in front of the mirror. Now see, to solve the numerical, you should clear, or your concept should be clear with the ray diagram. Okay. Now in case of concave lens, the image is always formed in the front of the mirror only. Okay, in the front of the mirror. If I tell you that object is located at infinity, the first ray is divergent, okay, incident ray divergence, that means diverging ray never meets each other, then we will produce the image rays towards focus. Now this we have produced, the diverging rays are not meet each other, we have produced, so there the image have formed in front of the mirror, and here towards the left hand side of the lens, all the distances are negative, so now find the power of concave lens of focal length, concave lens का focal length. Okay, concave lens, image is formed here, so here left hand side negative, so we will take the focal length minus 2 meter. Clear? Now find the power of lens. The formula of power is 1 upon focal length. Now always keep it in mind, whenever you are finding out the power, the focal length should be in meter only. Clear? This is the formula. So P is equal to 1 upon, what is value of f? -2, that means -0.5, and the unit of power is diopter. Clear? Very simple question, for 2 marks it can be asked. I hope you have understood. Copy it. Now one more question we will solve. Find the focal length of convex mirror of having radius of curvature 32 centimeter. Now we know that, see, radius of curvature is equal to 2 into focal length. So radius of curvature is 32, 2 is divided, so focal length is 16 centimeter. Clear? I hope you have understood all the numericals which we have done today. Thank you very much.